Hello, hi dear students, welcome to my channel. In this episode, we are going to discuss trigonometry 4 marks questions. That means short answer type questions. We will discuss in this episode. See here, if first question we have to discuss, if a plus b equal to pi by 4, then prove that. Here simultaneously 3 questions are there. In that first question, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So, to prove the first one, take that given condition. Given a plus b equal to pi by 4. After that, taking tan on both sides or applying tan on both sides. So, tan of a plus b equal to tan pi by 4. What is the formula for tan of a plus b? Tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. So, write the formula for tan of a plus b. Tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b, which is equal to tan pi by 4 equal to 1. So, now cross multiply, we get tan a plus tan b equal to 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now what I am doing is minus tan a tan b, I am taking this side. That means LHS side. So that implies that minus tan a tan b we are taking here. Already tan a plus tan b is there. Minus tan a tan b we are taking this side plus tan a tan b, which is equal to 1. After getting of this step, what we have to do is add 1 on both sides. So, adding 1 on both sides, the value 1 on both sides. So, otherwise you can write completely on both sides. So, it will becomes 1 plus tan a plus tan b plus tan a tan b is equal to 1 plus 1. Here we are adding 1, here also we are adding 1. That implies 1 plus tan a, keep in bracket. From these two tan b take common, from these two terms plus tan b if you have to take common. Here tan b if you take common, multiple is 1, here multiple is tan a. So tan b into tan 1 plus tan a, 1 plus 1 is 2. Again from these two terms, 1 plus tan a you have to take common. So 1 plus tan a if you take common into, here 1 plus tan a multiple is 1, plus here 1 plus tan a multiple is tan b. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. That's what they are asking to prove now. 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. Therefore, 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b is equal to 2, hence proved. The first question completed. Start the next question. Condition is same, a plus b equal to pi by 4, then prove the second one. So, Roman letter 2. This is about Roman letter 1. So, given a plus b equal to pi by 4, the result they are asking in terms of cot. So, applying cot on both sides. So, applying cot on both sides or taking cot on both sides. Cot of a plus b is equal to cot pi by 4. Are you able to see? 1. Now is it okay? Yeah, right. plus b equal to cot pi by 4. What is the value of cot pi by 4? 1. What is the value of cot of a plus b? Cot a cot b minus 1 divided by cot a plus cot b. Cross multiply cot a cot b minus 1 equal to 1 into this value. So cot a plus cot b minus 1 I am taking into the RHS. Cot a plus cot b I am taking into the LHS. Therefore cot a cot b, these values I am taking here, minus cot a minus cot b is equal to plus 1. Minus 1 we are taking this side. Now adding on both sides, like similar problem. Adding 1 on both sides. So we will get cot a cot b minus cot a minus cot b plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. They are asking to prove cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 equal to 2. So from these two, take common cot a. So if you take common cot a from these two, cot b minus 1 only. From these two minus 1 take common, cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. Here minus 1 you are taking common. Again cot b minus cot 1 you are taking common from these two. So we will get cot b minus 1 into cot a minus 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 is 2. Hence the result. Therefore cot b minus cot 1, write the order. Therefore cot a minus 1 into cot b minus 1 is equal to 2. Hence proved the second result. Even you remember, whatever the results are there, it will help in shortcut formulas or direct results also in MCET examination or JEE mains. We can utilize these properties as a standard results. The next question, they are asking to prove if a minus b equal to 3 pi by 4, then show that 1 minus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. So here, given condition, given a minus b equal to 3 pi by 4, taking tan on both sides or applying tan on both sides, tan of a minus b equal to tan 3 pi by 4. What is the formula for tan of a minus b? Tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. So tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b, which is equal to tan 3 pi by 4 directly we don't know. So what I am doing is 3 pi by 4 can be written as pi minus pi by 4. Tan of pi minus theta minus tan theta. So it will becomes minus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 value is minus 1. So tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a tan b is equal to minus 1. Cross multiply. Tan a minus tan b equal to each and every term of multiplying by minus 1. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into this value. So minus tan a tan b. After that, tan a minus tan b I am taking this side. Therefore, minus 1 we can take here, plus 1, which is equal to tan a, we are taking that side, and minus tan b we can take that side. So tan b minus tan a minus tan a tan b. Adding 1 on 1 is equal to 1 plus tan B minus tan A minus tan A tan B. They are asking to prove 1 plus tan B into 1 minus tan A. So 2 equal to 1 plus tan B, take as a word term. From these two minus tan A take common, 1 plus tan B. So now from these two 1 plus tan B take common. So 2 equal to 1 plus tan B take common into 1 minus tan A, hence proved. They are asking to prove this result only now. Hence proved. So this is the result. 2 equal to 1 plus tan B into 1 minus tan A. They are asking to prove this. This is the third question in this. We'll move to the next question. The next question, and very important. Prove that tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 equal to 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. So now proof. In the solution, consider LHS. LHS tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. After considering LHS, in the numerator 1, in place of 1, the relation between tan theta and secant theta identity is there. So we have that identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So in place of numerator 1 here, you have to replace with this value. So it will becomes tan theta plus secant theta minus, in place of 1, secant square theta minus tan square theta divided by denominator as usual. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. After writing up this step immediately, it is in the form of a square minus b square. We have that formula a plus b into a minus b. So we can write it as secant square theta minus tan square theta can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. So wherever this value is there, tan theta plus secant theta minus, keep bracket. In place of this, you have to replace with this value. So secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta plus tan theta whole divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. From numerator, in this term as well as in this term, secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta plus tan theta, you have to take common from the numerator. So secant theta plus tan theta, if you take common, what is the rest of the term? If you take common secant theta plus tan theta, here 1 will be there, no? Secant theta plus tan theta, after taking common here, minus of secant theta minus tan theta, minus secant theta. Observe carefully here, minus secant theta, minus into minus plus, plus tan theta divided by the denominator itself. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Tan theta minus secant theta plus 1. Exactly it is there in the denominator also. So both are same, we can cancel it. So which is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta we can write it as 1 by cos theta. The reciprocal of cos is secant. So 1 by cos theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Whenever a denominator is same, we can add the numerators only, no? So which is equal to cos theta is the LCM 1 plus sin theta, which is the required RHS. They are asking to prove the result. So it is RHS. Therefore, conclusion step, tan theta plus secant theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus secant theta plus 1 is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Is proved. The next question, an important question. Prove that 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10, 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 is equal to 1 by 16. First consider LHS. In the solution, consider LHS. 1 plus cos pi by 10. So 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10. 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10. First, we have to simplify pi by 10 value. Pi by 10. Pi means what? 180 degrees divided by 10. It is equal to exactly 18 degrees. So, pi by 10 is equal to 18 degrees. Similarly, we need to calculate 3 pi by 10. That means 3 times of 18. 54 degrees. Next, 7 pi by 10. This is equal to 126 degrees, 18 into 7. Next, 9 pi by 10. 9 into 18. 162 degrees. This is the information. Wherever pi by 10, 3 pi by 10, 7 pi by 10, 9 pi by 10, you have to replace with these values, which is equal to 1 plus cos 18 degrees. 1 plus cos 54 degrees. 1 plus cos 126 into 1 plus cos 162 degrees. After that, observe the angles. 54, it is nearby 90. So, what we have to write it? 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. So, it is exactly 54 only, no? 126, it is above 90. So, we can express as 90 plus 36, exactly 126. 162, it is nearby 180. So, 180 minus 18, we can write it. So, 1 plus a cos 18. 1 plus cos 54 can be written as 90 minus 36. 1 plus cos 126 can be written as 90 plus 36. Last one, 1 plus cos 180 minus 18. So nearby values of either 90 or 180 terms we wrote here. Now step by step we will do that. 1 plus cos 18, we cannot disturb the first term, we can leave it like this. Cos of 90 minus theta sin theta. So 1 plus sin 36. 1 plus cos of 90 plus theta, second quadrant, minus will come. So 1 minus sin 36. Cos odd multiple of pi by 2, no? You will get sin. 1 minus sin 36. Cos of 180 minus theta. Cos of 180 minus theta or cos of 180 plus theta, it will be minus cos. So 1 minus cos 18. Observe that the first term and last term, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to 1 plus cos 18 into 1 minus cos 18. We are writing as product of first term and last term as a one term. And the rest of the two terms you can write as again 1 plus sine 36 into 1 minus sine 36. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square, which is equal to 1 square minus 1 square means 1 minus cos square 18. Here a plus b divided minus b, a square minus a square means 1 square minus sine square 36. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, which is equal to sine square 18. 1 minus sine square 36, cos square 36. So we can write it as sine square theta and cos square theta. So a square b square means ab whole square we can write now. Sine 18 degrees into cos 36 degrees whole square. But we have to write the values of sine 18 and cos 36. Sine 18 equal to root 5 minus 1 by 4. Cos 36 is equal to root 5 plus 1 divided by 4. These are the values. Substitute there. Root 5 minus 1 by 4 into root 5 plus 1 by 4 whole square. Again observe the numerator a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So which is equal to root 5 whole square minus 1 square divided by 4 square whole square, which is equal to 4 divided by 4 square means 16 whole square. 4 ones are 4 fours are, which is equal to 1 by 4 square, which is equal to 1 by 16, which is required RHS. They are asking to prove that now. Hence the result, the given value LHS is equal to RHS. Thank you dear students for watching my channel. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can write to my comment box. I will respond. Thank you all. Now this is the first video on short answer type questions in trigonometry. So in the coming days, I will produce 5 to 6 short answer type questions in trigonometry. So like previously 6 to 7 videos I have uploaded very short answer type questions in trigonometry. Once you go to my playlist and get the videos. Thank you all.